There are many reasons why businesses are motivated to use Microsoft Azure for their cloud computing needs. Companies can have access to critical business events such as mergers, acquisitions, divestiture reduction in capital expenses, and support for mission-critical technologies and new data sovereignty requirements. Migration techniques such as reduction in vendor or technical complexity, optimization of internal operations, scaling to meet marketing and geographic demands, innovation techniques such as preparation for new technical capabilities, improved customer experiences and engagements, and transformations of products or services. Medium to large size companies like to use Microsoft Azure to help them with their cloud computing needs. These companies enjoy Microsoft Azure for their user-friendly platform, which allows them to have a large amount of data capacity, low cost, and data and infrastructure availability. They can go hybrid by using a combination of public cloud and private cloud in a computing environment that allows your applications to be shared between users. Larger companies use Azure to host a private cloud or a partial private setup, while medium-sized companies choose to use a public cloud due to the cost and management savings. Large companies like to process substantial amounts of data hosted on their own server, which can prove to be the most cost-efficient, with data transfers and backups occurring once a week rather than daily. Companies use Azure because it keeps their information safe by allowing data backups, disaster recovery for all their information, and advanced security to prevent breaches and crimes within their company. Microsoft Azure adds value to your business by allowing you to have access to infrastructure as a service and platform as a service capabilities, security offerings, unmatched hybrid capabilities, integrated environment with other Microsoft tools, analytics and intelligence capabilities, cost-efficient platform where you can pay as you go, and an easy learning curve. Microsoft Azure has many services such as virtual machines, SQL databases, Azure Active Directory domain services, application services, data storage, flexibility, and low cost. Azure allows you to create file shares, storage accounts, containers, tables, queues, and network interfaces. You have access to apps and marketplace services. In a 5-year period, a company can receive an ROI of 465% worth an average of $4.29 million. There would be a 6-month payback on investment, 47% reduction in unplanned downtime, 35% reduction in compliance-related penalties, and a 24% increase in productivity for regulatory compliance teams.
So now we're going to be talking about reasonable cost estimates for Azure. So one thing that Azure does have on the Microsoft Azure website is a pricing tool. It'll show you products and example scenarios. If you go into products, you can see all the products that Azure has on its system and simply click on it and see how much it will cost you per month. And for some of the example scenarios, it has advanced analytics on big data, where you can simply add that type if that's what you are looking for, and it'll give you the estimated total of $5,642 per month. Or if you're looking for CI/CD for Azure Web Apps to transform your data into actionable insights using the best in-class machine learning tools, that'll run you about $153.89. That's just one thing that Microsoft Azure gives to you for pricing tools. Now we're going to talk about the time and effort to adopt this technology in a business. So also on the Microsoft Azure website, there's a tab called Training, and if you click that tab, it'll give you all the tools that you need. They have Learning Paths, Hands-on Training, and Learn for Free tabs. You can simply select your role in that company that you are part of and click on it and see what they have to offer. For the hands-on learning, all you need to do is click Browse All, and they have over 900 options for you to learn from. Anything from specific how to set up a web app, how to head up a storage account, how to do many more things, all in less than an hour. Next, we'll be talking about the strategic advantage of Microsoft Azure. Unlike other vendors, the Microsoft Azure cloud offers high availability and redundancy in data centers on a global scale. Because of this, Azure can offer a service level agreement or SLA of 99.95%, approximately 4.38 hours of downtime per year, something that most businesses cannot achieve. Microsoft Azure has a strong focus on security, following a standard security model of detect, assess, diagnose, stabilize, and close. Paired with strong cybersecurity controls, this model has allowed Azure to achieve multiple compliance certifications, all of which establish Azure as a leader in IaaS security. Azure's pay-as-you-go pricing allows SMBs to better manage their IT budgets, purchasing only as much as they need. Microsoft Azure makes it easy to scale compute power up or down with nothing more than a click of a button.
Microsoft Azure has a market for most all companies. Whether this is a company of a very large size like Nike or Adidas, or a very small company like a hometown grocery store or hardware store. Microsoft Azure has so much to offer for you and your company. The support infrastructure is unmatched by any other competition or software like ours. With Azure, our company will be able to test and deploy enterprise apps, create a custom mobile experience, gain insight from data, and be able to use apps like virtual machines, can use blob storage, and many more apps when you search in our Azure's marketplace. Adopting Azure is as easy as you could think of. All you need to do is use your company info and email and sign up for Azure for the option that best fits you and your company, and then you are officially a part of the Microsoft Azure account. You can start your Azure account right now for 12 months free to see if you enjoy your services. That's right, a whole year free to see if you like Azure. After 12 months is up and you find out that Azure is the perfect software for you and your company, you will have to choose from our 3 different prices per month. Our 3 different prices range from $29 to $1,000 per month. We offer our developer monthly cost at $29 a month, which is mostly a trial run for you and your company. Our standard is now priced at $100 per month for production workload environments, and our professional direct package at $1,000 per month, which is a business critical dependence package. We also have competitive pricing when it comes to our competitors and other softwares like ours, and a pricing calculator in case you just want certain apps for you and your company, so you can see how much you will be paying if you just decide to have certain apps on your Microsoft Azure account. We really hope to have you as our new Azure account owner, and thank you very much for listening.